Hello and welcome to this edition of my IBM Rhapsody video series. My name is Frank, I'm a passionate Rhapsody user, trainer and consultant for over 20 years and love to share knowledge to help you to become more effective. In this video I will talk about a curious change in the current Rhapsody release when you apply hierarchical layouts on the auto-generated diagrams. This video is directed to all those who are using my older Rhapsody training material with a more recent Rhapsody version and came across with some inconsistencies in the expected Rhapsody behavior. In one of the exercises you learn about a very cool Rhapsody feature called Populate. This feature allows you to automatically draw or generate diagrams for you when you create a new diagram. Let me show you this in Rhapsody for a quick recap. Here I have a Rhapsody 8.3.1 edition with a simple model with one package containing a couple of requirements. My goal is to create a hierarchical view of these elements in a requirements diagram. As I said, this can be done automatically. Simply right-click on the package and select Add New Diagram Requirement Diagram. A new diagram dialog will appear. Beside the name of the diagram that I could provide, there's a little checkbox, Populate Diagram. When you select this checkbox and click OK, the Populate dialog appears. In this dialog I can define the scope, that is, which elements Rhapsody shall use to draw this diagram. So here, for example, I simply select the package with all its contained requirements. I have furthermore options, for example, which relation types shall be included in this diagram. And, an important detail, I can also select one of these popular layout representations. In my case, I keep hierarchical. Hit OK, and voila, we have our diagram, as expected. On top we have the package, and below we see our requirements. That's exactly how I would expect the layout of the diagram, which corresponds perfectly to the browser representation from top to down. Now to the point when you do the same thing with a newer Rhapsody edition. So here I have Rhapsody 9.0 and I just repeat the same steps. Right-click, Add New Requirements Diagram, select the scope and the layout type to be hierarchical, hit OK and wow, that's exactly the opposite representation. Still hierarchical, OK, but the other way around. Looks like from bottom to top. So obviously there is a difference in the layout algorithm between both Rhapsody editions. But why? To get to the next question, no, there is no Rhapsody hidden property to change this. Even don't try to search for it. The answer is in the configuration file Layout Styles, which is located in the Share Properties folder. When you perform a diff of the Rhapsody 8.3.1 and the Rhapsody 9.0 layout style file, you see the difference in the direction value. Here in 9.0 you see top to bottom, which should be okay. But the crazy thing is, it's exactly the other way around. So let's edit this file in Notepad. I change the value to bottom to top, save the file and move over to Rhapsody. In Rhapsody I have to reopen the model to reinitialize Rhapsody with a new configuration. And now I do the same steps again. Here you go, perfect. I hope this information was helpful for you to gain more clarity in this point. If you want to receive a free personal Rhapsody demo, send an email to rhapsody@evotion.com. We will gladly schedule a meeting with you. If you want to receive our newsletter, send subscribe to newsletter to info@evotion.com. That's it. Hope to see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.